Isn't it frustrating when you can't afford those little luxuries, so you have to stick to the basics? Priya lives in a slum in Mumbai, and she knows the feeling. Only for her, missing out on her little luxuries, fresh fruits and vegetables, means that her son is too small for his age, and she suffers from anemia, which makes her pregnancy dangerous for both her and her baby. What's more frustrating is that India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. Raj is growing everything the family needs on a farm just 50 kilometers away. Up to 30% of Raj's crop is lost in handovers between intermediaries, who increase the end price but not the quality, and even more will spoil whilst waiting to sell under the hot sun. The whole system is unfair. Raj only receives a fraction of the final selling price, but this price is far too high for Priya and her family. Beeb is going to change this. Beeb provides basic cold storage facilities and a mobile phone order and payment system so that Priya can buy fresh, local vegetables directly from Raj. Step 1. Beeb works with a cooperative of farmers who decide the selling price of their produce. Because Beeb is not a profit-taking intermediary, farmers know that they will receive 90% of the final price paid by customers, a radical improvement on the 20% they get with existing market systems. Step 2. Their produce is transported to Beeb's cold storage facility on the edge of the slum. This low-tech, energy-efficient cold storage will dramatically reduce waste and increase farmers' incomes. They no longer have to panic sell for fear of spoilage, and customers are guaranteed fresh produce. Step 3 is the biggest challenge. How do we enable the slum community to access this fresh produce with their limited individual purchasing power? The solution is a network of Beeb hives. Beeb hives can be houses, shops, or existing small businesses within the slums. Anita, for example, sells saris from the front of her house and is also a Beeb hive manager. She works for a small commission to allow the community to place collective orders for fruits and vegetables. Firstly, she receives a text message telling her about the produce available and its price. Then she advertises the deal and collects orders from her friends, neighbours, and customers like Priya. She places the collective order using her mobile phone. Finally, when she collects, Beeb and our mobile banking partner allow Anita to pay the farmers simply and directly using her phone. Every time she sends a payment, a small transaction fee is collected. Back at the Beeb hive, Priya and the other customers collect the vegetables they ordered and pay around 50% less than the current market price. Thanks to Beeb, Priya can now feed her entire family with fresh vegetables. Mumbai alone has 7.3 million slum dwellers who are struggling to afford a healthy diet. So the demand for fresh produce at cheap prices is huge. Beeb hives will spread rapidly because they capitalize on community and entrepreneurship. The small transaction fee we mentioned earlier is used to fund this growth. As the hives spread and more transactions are sent, the capacity to invest in future growth increases dramatically. Beeb is a revolutionary and rapidly scalable market model. Beeb has the potential to transform access to fresh, healthy food for slum dwellers worldwide. Beeb. Vote below and create the buzz.